Okay, a shop makes 100 sandwiches. Some are cheese and some are tuna, and some have salad and some don't. So, let's look at the facts. There are 100 sandwiches, 30 have cheese with salad, 15 have tuna without salad, and 75 in total have salad. Now that's the key number. 75 have salad. We're looking for cheese sandwiches without. So let's find out how many don't have salad. If 75 of the 100 have salad, 25 have no salad. Let's see what other facts we have. We know that 15 have tuna without salad, so 15 of those 25 have tuna in them. 25 minus 15 leaves us with 10, and those 10 must be the cheese sandwiches without salad.